2 deaths from hepatitis A. We first broke the news right here in Martin County. Now we've uncovered 2 more cases on the same street.
Tonight, how to protect yourself and reduce your family's risk of hepatitis A exposure.
Only on News Channel 5, 2 new cases of hepatitis A on one Palm City street, the same street where a couple died in their home from the disease.
Now, Martin County is considered a high-risk area. News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts first broke the story and has confirmed 2 more cases. Megan?
Yeah, Kelly, it was just minutes after we reported this afternoon that hepatitis A was ruled the cause of death for a local attorney and his wife, that another man came up to me right here and said that he and his wife also were recently diagnosed with hepatitis A, and they also live in the Sunset Trace neighborhood behind me here in Palm City. Tonight, they are deeply concerned and they want answers.
I'm still having sweats and just exhausted.
2 weeks after he started feeling symptoms.
I got up to 103.8 fever. I was completely dehydrated to where I had to go to the hospital.
This Palm City man who does not want to be identified was given a rare diagnosis.
Came back that I tested positive for hepatitis.
He and then his wife both contracting hepatitis A.
I was completely shocked. The first thing that came to me is I have 3 children. They went to worrying about them before worrying about myself, and they all have the vaccine.
They also learned Thursday that they weren't alone. The medical examiner confirming their neighbors, Jeffrey Kirsch, a local attorney, and his wife Nancy died, the result of complications from hepatitis A, both found inside their Sunset Trace home.
Sitting in bed for 2 weeks, you rack your brain day in and day out trying to figure out where this could have come from.
Both couples lived on the same street.
It cannot be a coincidence.
Even the same block when they got sick.
100 yards.
Now this man hopes a deeper look from the health department might give them answers. He said someone from the health department is expected to call him Friday.
It's really scary to know that we have 2 people that are dead, and now we're infected as well. There could be other people that have it, and they don't know yet.
And the Florida Department of Health here in Martin County telling me tonight that they have confirmed 12 cases of hepatitis A since January of this year. It takes 5 cases for an area to be ruled a high-risk area for hepatitis A. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.
Tonight, we want to help keep you and your family healthy and safe. So if you take a look at this map, you can see it right here behind me. This is from the Florida Department of Health, and you can see the Tampa area right there in the dark maroon color. It is the highest level of hepatitis A in our state. So the question tonight is, how do you get this virus? Doctors say if you're not vaccinated, you're at risk. Also, you need to practice good hygiene. Wash your hands often. Symptoms include a fever, loss of appetite, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal discomfort, and also jaundice.
Most people, if they're otherwise healthy, they're not going to get sick and die from this. So that's important to note. Most people, it's just a symptomatic illness where they're going to get the symptoms that we talked about, but they're going to get better.
The incubation for hepatitis A is 28 days, almost an entire month. Symptoms can last 2 months, too. Back to you, Kelly.
WPTV News Channel 5, the first station to bring you this breaking story and a mobile push alert. So download our free app so breaking details will be sent straight to your device.